Understanding, it's anybody's call. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard. It's anybody's call. This expression is quite common in both casual and formal English conversations. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. It's anybody's call is an idiomatic expression used to say that the outcome of a situation is uncertain and could go any way. When you hear this phrase, it means that a decision or a result is so close that no one can predict what will happen. It's up to anyone to guess. The phrase suggests that everyone has an equal chance of being right or wrong about the outcome. The phrase, "it's anybody's call," likely originated from sports or competitions, where a call, or decision, on a close play could go either way, depending on the referee or judge's perspective. Over time, it has been adopted into everyday language to describe any situation where the result is too close to call. Let's look at some examples of how to use this phrase in everyday conversations. 1. Regarding a competition. The final match is between two strong teams. It's anybody's call who will win. 2. Making decisions. We could go to the beach or the museum today. Honestly, it's anybody's call. 3. Discussing outcomes. With the candidates so closely matched, who'll get the job is anybody's call. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, from sports to daily decision-making. It's useful to know similar expressions that convey the same uncertainty. Here are a few. Up in the air means something is still undecided. On the fence indicates that a decision between options has not been made. A toss-up suggests that two or more outcomes are equally likely. Understanding these expressions will enrich your English vocabulary and help you express uncertainty in different ways. And that's a wrap on It's Anybody's Call. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting phrase and how you can use it in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so don't hesitate to use this phrase when you're faced with an uncertain outcome. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.